Hi, here is an intriguing open elective being offered by the Department of Mechanical Engineering of St. Joseph Engineering College. This video presents a brief introduction of the course on industrial safety. This course highlights the importance of general safety and its prevention while enabling the learners to understand the crux of mechanical, electrical, and chemical safety. It is an amalgamation of all classic engineering disciplines and that makes the course very interesting. Moreover, this course will teach you the ways in which fire can be controlled. As far as chemical safety is concerned, you will learn the means of labeling chemicals, usage of hand signals during forklift operations in industries and aero. Here you see the importance of industrial safety. This man at work are well geared to ensure the safety precautions are taken care of. Every engineer has aims at having a career in an industry irrespective of the area of work. The first module is all about general safety at workplaces and introduces terms like accident, safety, hazard, safety devices, safety guard, security, precaution, caution, appliances, slip, trip, and fall. There are plenty of risk involved at workplaces. As seen here, slippages at work are quite common, and if you do not have necessary gears, you are sure to cause damage to yourself. Also, the posture at work is quite critical. Be it a computer engineer, mechanical engineer, or any other domain of the. For that matter, if you do not take care while sitting at your desk, you may cause irreparable harm to your back. Similarly, someone standing under the hanging load without any precaution is taking a great risk that may be avoided with proper safety measures. Another safety measures to be aware of is that the fire hazards. We get to hear a lot of instances where fire bursts out of nowhere and cause a lot of damage. All these situations may be dealt with if one is aware of adequate fire safety measures. All of us have seen this fire extinguisher at multiple locations, but ironically, many of us do not even know how to operate it. If anyone knows how to operate an extinguisher, it can turn out to be a lifesaver and help in avoiding disasters. This course is meant to do exactly that. It will empower you to learn the theory behind these safety equipments. Next is a more specific topic, that is mechanical safety. Mechanical hazards are those created by the use of our exposure to either powered or manually operated equipment or machinery. Part of the machinery that could be hazardous to workers includes sharp edges, hot surfaces, moving parts, flywheel, pulley, belt, etc. Drill machines like this are seen everywhere, be it in construction work, road work, or even as simple as making a hole on the wall. Even though it is quite common, the safety precautions to be taken while using this machine are quite crucial. Similarly, working near rotating gears or engaged gears or using handsaw requires safety measures to be followed. Not only these, many other machines related work, be it lathe, shaping, grinding, etc., are quite risky, and safety while using these machineries become paramount. This course will teach you the safety measures to be taken while dealing with machines. Electrical safety is another area that requires a lot of attention. All of us may have had situations where we were exposed to electric shock while dealing with electrical equipments. Electrically powered equipment can pose a significant hazard to workers, particularly when mishandled or not maintained. Many electrical devices have high voltage or high power requirements, carrying even more risk. Only qualified workers who have been trained in avoidance of electrical hazards are permitted to work on or near exposed energized parts. Safety related work practices are employed to prevent electric shock or other injuries resulting from either direct or indirect electrical contact. When work is performed on electric devices, failing which there is a risk of running into situations like this. Handling chemical substances without proper protection exposes anyone to the risk of absorbing harmful amount of chemical through the skin. This usually happens when handling the chemical in liquid form, and dangerous chemicals can enter the body through the ingestion as gases, dust, vapors, fumes, liquids or solids. The Department of Mechanical Engineering invites registrations for this exciting open elective on industrial safety. Join us in this unique learning experience. Thank you.